Hey guys, another day, another concert in a beautiful old church. This one has 3 Slimlines installed. Older ones with the belt canopy. Each one's on its own control. And it looks like they just used Romax, painted brown. And the Romax just goes down and plugs into the wall. So, let's see if anybody... Oh, they got 4-speed controls. Low. Oh, that one doesn't work. Low doesn't work on that one. Low. Medium. 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 High. High. Oh, these are controls with 36-inch fans, so that might explain why the one's burned out. Give them a chance to get up to speed. They definitely seem like slower ones, although the one in the middle seems slower too, so maybe it's not just the control. Okay, somebody just came in, so I'll do spin down later. I'll do it now.
You must be the video guy.
Yeah. No, I'm not. I like to take videos of the venues that I come to. Document it. It's a beautiful church.
Oh man, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
I like that you said thank you because obviously you're doing like work and keeping it beautiful, you know?
Oh.
Like you took the credit, you know, as because you're doing the work.
No. I'm the pastor.
Oh, you're the pastor.
Yeah, I'm the senior
Well,
pastor.
okay. Well, I thought you were a deacon because of all the deacon work you're doing.